All right, man. Boomer Locksmith back. Let me straighten out my hat, man. Anyway, we have a 2012 Toyota Verso. We're going to program, it's a simple key. It's just gonna, he doesn't want a remote. He just wants to get himself a simple key. So let's see how we get this done. All right, let's go, man. Let's go. Yeah. You know, man, the client came out here. He gave me his key. And then I done forgot to ask him what the code was, man. I'm going to get in touch with him and get that code. Okay, so we got the Toy 47. That is going to be the key we're going to use with a super chip. So we're going to start by cutting the blade. Actually, no. Let me rewind that. No, we're going to start by checking out the chip, what kind of chip it is, so we can program the chip. Then we're going to cut the key. Okay, we're taking out our handy dandy mini key tool, and we are going to start by putting the key inside, and we're going to figure out what kind of transponder is in there, because I'm not making a remote, I'm just making a simple key. Okay, so my first step is to go to clone transponder, and then it shows me, is this a clonable key or not? It shows that it's clonable. So then next thing we're gonna do is hit clone. So let's do it. Okay, you just follow the instructions, and after you hit clone and it said copied successful, next step I'm gonna do, cut the key. Let's go. Okay, key is cut, chip is in. Let's snap this bad boy together and let's go try it out. Let's go try it out. Okay. Look at that. Let's go see. Moment of truth. We're going to be a chicken. Are we going to be doing a chicken dance? Oh, let's focus on it. What's going on here? Ain't focusing here. Ah, there we go. Okay, moment of truth has come up. Key in. Turn the key. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that bad boy's locked. That bad boy's open. Now, here comes the real moment of truth. He gave me the code. Key in. Okay, key's in there. Code. Can't show you the code, man. That's top secret. Okay, let's turn the key. See what up? Chicken dance, chicken dance. Hey, man. Wow. That was like the easiest job I ever did, man. I mean, finally got an easy one, man. Now this time, Boomer Locksmith checking out. And I'll be checking in on the next thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, man, chicken dance, chicken dance. People think I'm crazy out here, man, but you know what? So what? I dig it.